Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been waiting for a smartphone that dominates in camera, performance, and battery life, your search ends today. Because Nokia is back with a bang, and their new flagship, the Nokia Eve Max 5G 2025, is here to rewrite the rules. This phone isn't just powerful, it's an absolute monster. We're talking a 500 megapixel DSLR level camera, a 9000 mAh battery, and the fastest processor in the game. So, is this the ultimate flagship killer? Let's break it down. So let's start. Display. First up, the display. The Nokia Eve Max 5G looks and feels premium, with a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. That's buttery smooth thanks to its 144 Hz refresh rate, and 410 Hz touch sampling rate, perfect for gamers and binge watchers. Plus, it's tough too. Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection means no more anxiety over accidental drops. And yes, it's got an in-display fingerprint scanner, fast, sleek, and futuristic. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera. If you love next-level photography, this phone is a dream. With a groundbreaking 500 megapixel primary sensor, this device delivers DSLR-level detail right in your pocket. Capture sweeping vistas in stunning detail with the 100 megapixel ultra-wide lens, or explore intricate close-ups with the 50 megapixel macro lens for razor-sharp clarity. Plus, the 10 megapixel depth sensor ensures studio-quality portrait shots with flawless precision. Oh, and selfie lovers, a 64 megapixel front camera makes sure every snap is Insta-worthy. Performance. Under the hood, this thing is insane. The Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset makes gaming, multitasking, and 4K editing feel effortless. And with Android 16 running the show, you get blazing fast speeds, AI enhancements, and top-tier security. No lag, no compromises, just raw power. Battery charging. Tired of constantly charging your phone? Well, this beast is built for you. It packs a 9000 mAh battery, with 165-watt ultra-fast charging support. And with a Type-C Gen 2 port, so both data transfer and charging are lightning fast. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? While Nokia hasn't confirmed yet, but leaks suggest around $600, which is insane for these specs. And rumor has it, we'll see it by the end of this year.